I want this shower head at kid height. So I just got this great shower head holder so I can put it down here for my kids to access and have it tip over so I can just spray directly on them from the shower head. And the reason I went with this one is I had gotten one of those suction shower heads, but it wasn't holding onto these tiles as well as I wanted to. It wasn't an even enough surface for the suction cup shower heads to hold onto. So I need to get a little more heavy duty and actually stick one to the wall. So here's this one. It's super sleek. It will totally fit the shower and look beautiful once adhered to the wall. And this one's great too because it actually has give, but it's really hard to move it, but it means you can put it in the position you want and it will stay there and not move around on you. So here's how it looks once adhered on. It is a very sleek piece. It just goes right where you want it to. Definitely need to plan on that gluing, and I don't want to stick anything on it just yet because it is still drying, but that is how it looks. A fantastic addition. It'll definitely work